enti medwene ho a mentimi ase se adenti na Kumawood stars no odo eni montem sa na se mehwe ne memu a adenti na Kumawood stars ase omo tan Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin omo do na tan Kwadwo Nkansah sa ebusia big Akwes any other Kumawood stars ni bi abe clash with Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin efa ne mattress whistle blow na obeye ye no that fake mattress na Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ebe da na whistle blow na o blow alarm no omo abe komadwen e da che Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin na be ma nchirimu no akere wadwen e da amame e wo comment section aha ipenya block me da mess right any day mo obe like video na ma bro subscribe button sambe click notification icon for latest update sambe chere wadwen da amame e wo comment section oba so no share first enya bia hwe so about 2 weeks ago anansem bi ebetwa go media na so ani nya na efa fake mattress bi a chese yen kan say fake mattress but a new brand of mattress ya aba system ni mu ano ya the rubber ana eye say no fe no styrofoam but I say eno say new brand ya aba system ni but Ghana no we are unknown to that. All we know is this latest foam ni those foam no can be kan za foam na asa this latest foam no I say eno ni any styrofoam bia ye say styro ye ni bibia but and also aba as a China foam na be sha tema ho no mo ana omu twa that mattress ever system ni mu as omu ye bia omu de call the China mall in Ashamai ho no mo go turn no eti alarm e blow ye say mattress no mo go turn Ashamai China mall ho no ni nyina ye rubber mattress endo bia ntwa nhwe e ma Ghana Standard Authority for e ba na e ba mu e ma omu kopie mu o tema hono we be a company na omo ye genuine junk implemented na omo ye rubber mattress no styro mattress that styrofoam no omo ko stop you mu e mo ma ko shut that company ne down e dey ma do e ba no Kwadwo Nkansah became an ardent whistleblower on the internet say hey Ghana for say na so twawfoam na hwe twawfoam cause Kwadwo Nkansah twa ne dey no na ne dey order rubber so ye dey bu Nkansah ye dey ahwe Nkansah ntirimu e ma do e be daja on the internet and also call ma be kaya me bro video na Kwaku Manu age kana dwen chale o kirem se o edufudie ase edufudie na kum sabe ekum kwasea ye nu be bo mo sika so pepe into until can tie the palace or throw shade at Kwadwo Nkansah
okay oye dey no wakori nwa nti ye won kofo bo ma ase ye twa no ono a obi okotwa we ya we se ne de na okotwa price na woto ne de kenake obenya roba me ohu se pocky uma bi efa ne de no sticker bit o say for wo mo de fence related from for e wo mo paper bia na hye ho ana e wo brand bia ne paper hye ho but uma bi ko twa ne de no ne related for de na make ho o say brand bia wo ne sticker tale ho yes eto no brand no koto ye no uma ba ku ko twa ne de na wo yi o hwe na hu say eye saa we ne bi no de aye no ana uma say omo ayi ni na ho Fancy, we so akofane de fancy the bond this year. Pocky. And so akofa the people inside am ne de no kwado na ntwa kora because obenya the same thing. He go fi abrabo. Coffee made the lettered form. Made akocha. Latest form. We share brand na kora, we share package even. We share yina kasa kora ntoma na ese ho no kora na. Obi nkanche o se ne body so ye koto hu ne bo ne body hey be nam 12,000 7,000 5,000 ya dey ko vi made akotwa me mattress we ni ntwa da me ntwa but ni na no enkofo ni bi wo ma o ska wo ho ayi so nkomoto de ne body sa but okobusa ne body dodo ma me nkom ha ebo akwana na damfo ne kaje ne kwa masa mekoma wo benya de ne boofo ade mattress ne boarding sa letted for there de no ade amba no akoma ekomo China mo bi abeto mattress wo bia no memma remfi se unto enna mattress so wo da bamboo
Emma Kwadwo Nkansah scrap a ball counter defense ebe to be man Kwaku Manu ni ade
ne ma ade afo no se engo fa how ameni pane dia what the problem? You might buy any panel there. That's a Ghana Standard Authority for a buying penny for a Bessadu a bonedia. O man penny for say a bonedia. Yet, mon for I didn't tell you young warm as I the bonny system. Now, papa now or many mono. A bit of royal foam. Ghana from Congo. ubenya kwasia bi ubenya jimifo bi abeka mwasem ubenya ni brefo bi ene ahoye ani bi abeka kwatesem anze mesro se ade papa bia no anensem ho ade pa we na abana yehu sampa forms na wo Ghana no most of them na aye rubber aye ni ahu bi aye manfo twitwa ami ahu emo bi mesawa dwene.
Now was out of nowhere comedian as well. As about his mu. Kumawood stars ni bi. A big Akwes any dear anymore. Omu abeto Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin mu edo to be edman. Ni nyina fa matrons and semwa wa beka ehon.
Shameless person like you going to China Mall to buy a China bed to come and sleep on. You are shame. You are shame. You are shame. Sleeping on China bed. Oh, your eyes is dead. Oh, you don't have anything, but you are claiming that you have something. You are not a rich guy. Let me tell you, you are not a rich guy. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry day, you said you have something, I have money, but you don't have focus. Shameless guy like you, going to China Mall to buy a China bed to come and sleep on, and telling us that this bed is not good. Shameless guy like you. You don't have anything. From hence, don't come to social media to portray that you have something. Get away.
Me, Lilwin, I can tell you boldly, oh, you're good, but the favor and what I can be Lilwin. I'm telling you, if you couldn't say Dr. Lucky, when you boni bagana and cover one another, if you couldn't that, boni fita betting boni a bagana. What do you want to say? Oh, because I'm maybe a year movie now, you can't watch you or America. Now, girl be. Hey, American films. Also, I chewa money flat crack. Don't ye be ye many glad they chewa. Some swat me some ya. Chewa better what you may that. Yet I won't own ya dear. Maybe I'm your audition sound friend or chewa flack. No, that I say. And I afraid chewa to me a man was with you. Mon frère mammy. Cause on I'm maybe I can to beat my ear. You can't action. I say, Raddy. What to me do? Would you act? Brother, favor. I walk Doctor Sono. Nene Sono. Mama. Me say, me name go for sign. Now, it will be a minister one because doctor, oh, hey, person can't graduate. Yana is a man for Nana. The imaginative, the imaginative yamba. Nana Yamu ho. Ah, what's up? What, Nana? Yamu ho. Yamu, what's your share? What's the Miss Slow? I control her for what say. If you couldn't say Dr. Lucky, when you boni bagana and cover one another, if you couldn't that. Boni fita betting boni a bagana. Tafu me call Bruni no music, me confirm that last diamond, some Pebruni nanate, yet no call Vienna. Betting boni bag, Ghana. Say, or before you are, no, Charlie, what's the child? Hey! Oh, people that you know. And the daughter like you guys was a son. Oh, Bompaya, what are where? And to make Isaiah say, was said, now make me be a quato, and no one saw the Benanti. What are we are upon Nanti? No, and come and Union, your fat papa. Obey a quaint be out to 1 hour. Maybe you want the first person. Nanny Pebby Bonim Tia, oh, dear, hey, when the time is and not a swan. It will be on Soma Unamuno, Yammy de prepare. And Loma Unamuno, Yammy de prepare, or person only bow also. And you make me come baby no say, me Japun let you boom. Ah, I don't Japun let you boom. I don't know them. There be Uremo or Boom Lasso. Already Obiemo wa fa hodie because boss so subano sesu when also ni ba hoso and normal wonamu you have to come back to your senses. Then I may no say so young boy I mean read your man so papa and son and ma sem ma bla bon koye. You have to come back to your senses. The rather miss me any penny be. Mama me ho kwan. That is when I feel will be saying no. And lupina man quite chichi. Doctor like him ni example man quite chichi na ba manim pa ana me ka asama kire o say obia wo ben no a me boni dia obehu no me ka kire wa tie ni ye na nkoye enya se me se me nua no I know him. It wasn't so tafo me call baby or tear tafo ko ha omufie no wa bo o she chire sa no wa ye toilet ne ayi wa chi na chi no hye ho ye ko ho ye nyina me ko sra no sama mo yonga bi ho no me ko ama friend was chale akwa no hye ho no mo store bi ho no akwa no di ntimi mo ne din but yeah. So all of a sudden, what trust you who say, and no baby to ye. And the idea who can now, or you would tell you, and if I want to know, should be here. Eh, brother, so I'm only on a while and go for the way chida. Find your face, was a son. What do you mean being? Money also answer. And try baby, what can I check? Who want to tell that? Now, I want to tell that do. Who want to tell that do? Ablabon would bo hatem we be bien fa and na ma ho kwan ni papa so he wo start say was the best so umbeka ya kwa nelewe ho chere no ba sia afi no afa bible we nim gu ase no afi do asesa that is sanity se bibia mamu a won tibi sisa wo hwe bibia to wa
Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin obon ho modern de opese oye movie bia no na fam no oye na mmom no de oye no enim di wo mu a e wo se ogai me ne the first person beka asase na anya ne de ohu ni se meta no but nye tai si so mpa se obo sika twitwidie e di twesini na se sini ni mu no wo se no a eye sa wo se ne se baby a eye comic no ye be no comic baby serious no se ni serious emfa eye comic ni mewura serious ni e ba ni sa se pe na obi e hwa won kase Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin movie ni nya few but o kan se Kumawood movies eye fe na afra nyina but o se kira kanokuru ya da che Kwadwo Nkansah on tiasie na dwenye ne se ase de wo kan animu na ahoya bi enso de sanete so tiasie okay me na mbeka say ni movie I FM Mr President and sem fata won Kwadwo Nkansah say obeye president no me mum nipa ese fata no bi ti say akobeto we president na ankaye obi ti say Bella Samoa o president na ankaye me beka sa asem wi no Emma Polino multimedia abrantie bi a wogina mu edema Polino multimedia e Kumasi fe Papa Fresh okay Papa Fresh na eba bontin ebe interview director bi a ye friend Jackson Kebentum wono na o director sa movie no edema Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin obisa ne say Big Akwes say eye Kwadwo Nkansah movie na your friend Mr President no say role of president senke de ma eye akrobeto na se Bella Samoa enkenye asema Big Akwes kan no kra na senye no kre asema director Jackson Kebentum our directing movie no e kan ne say obi onu di ni sika e di atwa eye movie wo so nkofa enipa bi mmon be president na de onu ne president enya na Sasma director ne kai no ehye me because of say director I have 100% respect to sa director ya jackse papa wo ya jackse papa just director Kebentum okay no respect the man but sa word no kai me yesen ko kan sa say we a big director say producer bi and I say obi produce movie na so no nsem fata role na enye say the man because of nisika what you say yeah you say the man say ebia for instance ebia tissue my baby na so no produce movie na so kan say ono no mom emra no meye eye ohima
emfata no oba basa we dey ye dey
what you say me pa chonye na basa asem emfata no what you say but me kan say penda just keep into me kan say nyesa me kasa asem no yema director na yema Lilwin na ntwa eso de nyesa ne tie movie na Lilwin etwa no wo de babo ntia nyo no nko na ehwe enipadom na ehwe unim enam say de bia no enam be 2 years 3 years member radio me kasa ni TV nkasa ni minya TikTok nkasa ni say masim be me ka bia me wo prove ntino ya na nkofo hu ni say as big Akwes me ka se me da chew bia e bia me attack no but yini pasunu
ana wo attack
but asem no ana me ka ho asem obi ti say that Batman Lilwin a movies Batman na a director Batman a twa scene bi na say Lilwin ka ho a Lilwin tim be wuram no be comic
sir
and so no nka say scene ho yes
when we script
ye dey ready
okay
ye dey muka kire a omu directors in read no ma chema kire o
now wo do the account okay
no obe wuram so say scene no e bia na Lilwin na dey on ka ho and so dem so baba be comic mu na ayese die enti no no obe no the end of the day no so we ka so e bench o me ye free mu a bench say pe na o ka so ye free mu no produce movie no was manage eba yes Kumawood movie enkwase movie Kumawood movie enye fe no mu didi ye nyina ya tem enti asema George e ka chele we no aya asem no kura eya sa asem we na o kan ye no edi enipa o pele we asem na obetimi akasa asem we obi a wo pe na asem a na emom no ade a wo ye no mfa ho no untimi nka so tia say eye no kura ne kan eya
because do trust and we say na chiachi
sabe pepe but what can say now ono Lilwin na dream no hu ni say ase de wo ka che na ase wo gu nani mase enti no ye mani hu say robia e wo de wo say uye serious actor me hu say uye serious actor baby a comic wo no play comic ye play so baby a serious wo no play serious e fa wo so asem o kan no for eye ne current movie ya bayi ase eye abusua panyina ase so panyina wo da asori ano ubo obi mpa ya according to ono George na asem o kan so obo mpa ya no Lilwin akora o fan no to no twira akunwam nyese nkoye saa eno na nam so a emane ye den ekeka sansem but asema George eka che Lilwin no doubt perfect 100% enti Lilwin tiase say de wo kan o kan say ni nua o ni nyina o movie mu ana ade a o ye ne enye nti wontie wa supam next time no o de ni movie babo ntia a o make sure say baby a comic ni no mane fa comic ma ho na meme ne the first person make kan ya want ya say ni say obi so da beto aso no nti ma ekanya ne ka kire omo a omo behwe no mahu ni say ade omo hwe ye no de e ka no e no kre nti so se ebo a sini no omo be premier wo premier wie se pe na ne say wo be kwa ko ne ko hwe de ye ka no say de ye ka na e no kre
ana so me de to YouTube so
and so me de to YouTube
Rizzy Empire
ai eno so no ko ne ko hwe say de ye ka na no kre ana say nye no kre de do obadwune hu ni de obehu no onso baba be ka say de ye ka na no kre ana say nye no kre
na me menti ase foni be na Kwadwo aye nipa is it because odun ko domo Philadelphia asafo no ana say e ba de na Kwadwo aye njira say Kumawood stars no mu twa mo ho tan ne sa menti ase e bia na oti ase kire wadwuma me e wo comment section ho no aha PENYAH Block Media Accra.